How to use car accident legal advice platforms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Car accident legal advice platforms can save time and money, but most beginners make mistakes that reduce the value of their claims. The surprising truth is that small errors early on can cost thousands. The first mistake is failing to provide complete accident details. Accurate dates, times, police reports, and photos are essential for advice to be useful. Partial information leads to generic guidance that may not apply. Another common error is ignoring insurance documentation. Uploading or summarizing policies incorrectly can lead to advice that doesn't fit your coverage. Always provide complete insurance information for accurate guidance. Many users also skip medical records. Injuries must be documented clearly to evaluate compensation. Without records, the platform cannot calculate damages accurately. A surprising mistake is not understanding platform limitations. Some platforms provide advice, but cannot negotiate claims or represent you legally. Know what services are included to avoid false expectations. Finally, beginners often fail to follow up. Legal advice is only effective if applied. Missing deadlines, not contacting insurance, or not consulting a lawyer when needed can diminish your settlement. To properly use car accident legal advice platforms, provide full accident and insurance details, upload medical records, understand platform limitations, and follow through on recommendations. Doing this ensures you get accurate guidance and maximize your claim.